let me show you how to get Google Play Store on your Samsung TV. So you see, I literally have Samsung TV here and it's able to run Play Store. So if you didn't know, basically Samsung TVs actually by default do not have a Google Play Store. So they have their own store. And again, when you get your TV, there is no Play Store. And the only way how to get Play Store and access to the Play Store apps is if you actually use any kind of TV stick with your TV. So there are multiple different TV sticks that you can get. For example, the cheapest one probably would be this H96 Max. So this is the size of it. It literally just plugs into the back of your TV. It also comes with a remote that you can use to control it. But personally, currently I'm using the Xiaomi TV stick. This one is maybe like $40, but the performance of this one actually is much better than on this one, and it's also more advanced. So I can highly suggest these. So, for example, this is what the Xiaomi TV stick looks like on the back of my TV. So you simply plug it in, and also they have to be powered, so using a USB cable. So let me plug it out. So this is what it looks like. It simply plugs into the HDMI port of your TV, and also in the USB port, or you can power it from somewhere else. So yeah, you simply plug it in, and then it's pretty much ready to go. And once you plugged in, if you want to switch to it, so you simply go to your connected devices, so where you can change the input. And we want to simply switch to the HDMI. And then, as you see, it automatically launches this whole new system. So it's a Google TV system. So Google TV system that is also able to run, obviously, the Play Store. And also what's cool, as you see, I'm literally using my Samsung remote to control it. So it does come also with its own remote control, but again, you do not have to use it because the Samsung remote also works without any additional setup here. So yeah, for example, we can go in the apps here. You have all the installed apps, and if you want to launch the Play Store itself, so easiest way is if you simply maybe speak in your remote. Play Store.
Opening Google Play Store.
So yeah, and you see then you have the full Play Store over here. So you can choose from some recommended apps here, or also if you go in the top here, you also have a search function. So for example, we can go in the search, again we can speak VLC. Okay, wrong, but yeah, I see, for example, you can pull up all the results, or you can simply type in there. And then, yeah, when it comes to app selection, if we compare the Google Play Store versus Tizen, literally maybe like 10 times larger app selection and way better apps in the Play Store we can get. And yeah, also see you have games category here as well. And again, we have like, again, literally 50 times probably more games, and also all these games are actually much better than you can get on the Samsung system as well. So on the Samsung system, overall the games are quite pathetic, so very low end, but here they're actually very good games as well, and all for free pretty much as well. So I absolutely love this combo essentially. And yeah, huge advantage is if you get this TV stick, install on your Samsung TV, again, it's not even that expensive really. You can also significantly enhance the performance of your TV experience. So again, personally, I do not like the Tizen that much on the Samsung TVs. I like the image quality and sound from the Samsung TVs, but the Tizen itself is absolute junk in my opinion. Way less apps, it's slower, laggier, and it's simply not good in my experience. But yeah, if you combine your Samsung TV with a stick, so yeah, you can essentially run dual system setup. At any time, if you also want the Samsung system, you still have it obviously. And yeah, literally just plugs in the back of your TV, takes literally zero space, and again, maybe like $35 only. So yeah, absolutely great. Good luck.